My name is Au-Yeung. I'm a GM for AQMed here at SandboxAQ. Every year, there's 9 million patients arriving at the emergency room with chest pain. And with the current standard of care test, it still leaves a majority of patients in the gray zone, and they require additional tests. What our team is currently doing is to add a new novel technology to help physicians make that decision faster and more confidently. Magnetocardiography is actually related to EKG or electrocardiogram. Instead of looking at the electrical potential, you're actually looking at the magnetic field that is coming from the electrical current. If we're successful in building this technology, that means that patients arriving at the ER, they will have faster answers. So ultimately, it could really help reduce unnecessary admissions at the hospital and also potentially reduce the number of downstream tests if they're not necessary. Magnetocardiography can evolve from a research experiment and really make an impact in clinical care. We're a very talented team, but we're also very humble. We take this responsibility seriously, we take this work really seriously, but we don't take ourselves too seriously. It's a team sport. Not only you need the engineers and designers to create the product, but we also need to go through regulatory process in order to ensure that our device is safe and effective. It really requires some creativity and scrappiness to make it successful. We're really committed to this mission of bringing this technology to physicians and patients. When someone joins AQMed, there's an opportunity for them to create medical product that could touch millions and millions of lives worldwide.